If you're trying to choose between Base44 and Cursor, this video will make it simple. In the next few minutes, I'm going to break down the difference between these two tools in the clearest way possible so you can understand which one fits your workflow, your skill level, and your project goals. Whether you're a complete beginner who wants to build apps without coding or a developer who wants a smarter way to write and manage code, this comparison will help you decide. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more software breakdowns and tutorials. Let's start with Base44. Base44 is a visual AI no-code platform, which means you can build full-stack applications by simply describing what you want in conversational prompts. Instead of writing code manually, you tell the platform your idea, and it helps generate the app structure, logic, and interface for you. This is a huge advantage if you want to move fast, test ideas quickly, or build software without learning programming first. Base44 is designed for people who want zero coding involved, so the process feels more like planning an app than engineering one. Now, let's look at Cursor. Cursor is an AI native code editor built on top of VS Code, and it is made for developers who are already comfortable working with codebases. With Cursor, you still write and manage code, but the editor gives you AI assistance to help speed up coding, refactoring, debugging, and understanding large projects. Cursor is powerful because it fits directly into a developer workflow, but it is not a no-code tool. You need programming knowledge to use it effectively because the core experience is still code first. So the biggest difference comes down to one thing. Base44 is for building without coding, while Cursor is for building with code, but faster and smarter. If you are a beginner, a founder, a solo creator, or someone who wants to prototype an app visually, Base44 is probably the easier choice. You can focus on the idea, the layout, and the logic without worrying about syntax, frameworks, or debugging complex code. On the other hand, if you are a developer, Cursor can be incredibly useful for speeding up your daily work. It is ideal if you already understand JavaScript, Python, React, APIs, databases, or full-stack development. Cursor helps you write better code faster, but it assumes you know what the code is doing and how the project should be structured. Here's the simplest way to think about it. Base44 is like describing your app to an AI builder and letting it assemble the product for you. Cursor is like working in a smart coding environment where the AI helps you write the software yourself. One removes the need to code, and the other improves the coding process. If your goal is speed, simplicity, and no-code app creation, Base44 is the better fit. If your goal is flexibility, control, and professional development inside a code editor, Cursor is the stronger option. Neither tool is better in every situation. It really depends on whether you want to avoid coding altogether or enhance your coding workflow. So if you're choosing between them, ask yourself this: do I want to build software without programming, or do I want AI help while still coding? That answer will point you to the right tool immediately. If this comparison helped you understand Base44 versus Cursor more clearly, please hit the like button, subscribe for more AI and software tutorials. See, and let me know in the comments which one you would choose.